In 1941 and 1942, a total of 4 Type D311 locomotives were put into service by the Deutsche Wehrmacht. The D311, also known as Wally, was used on the Crimean Peninsula. Along with its sister engine, the D311 Dora, it manoeuvred the largest railroad gun ever built. The engines were equipped with electric power transmission. The controls of both locomotive halves were electrically coupled and were operated from the respective preceding driver's cab. The machine weighed 147 tons in total. Its top speed was 75 kilometers per hour. The multiple fine engravings and the true-to-scale implementation of this model catch the eye immediately. The bogies are beautifully worked with an impressive depth effect and, like the roof sections, have been implemented in line with the prototype in the epoch. The drive is installed into one half of the double locomotive. The wheels of the 2 powered axles are equipped with traction tyres for optimized traction. The second half of the locomotive provides space for the decoder and the large loudspeaker with a resonance body for powerful sound. The analog model's headlights are equipped with LED lighting, which switches depending on driving direction. On the digital model with sound decoder, the headlights can be switched separately. Naturally, the digital mode also features switchable driver's cab and machine room lighting, as well as a buffer capacitor for uninterrupted power supply. Digital versions of this model are to roll onto N-gauge tracks with comprehensive sound functions. This will guarantee limitless playing fun on your model railway system.